How's it going, guys? Jacob here with some new tech, specifically the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. So I'm going to be doing some tech reviews on this channel, and if you like what you see, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe for more content. So before we actually open up the box, we're going to go over the specs. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. This is the LTE version. I was able to get this on a deal for $174 US after tax. So the OS, it's rocking a Tizen OS. This is the 45mm face version. So also I have for the chipset, it's the Exynos 9110. For memory, it has 1GB of internal storage and 8 gigs of RAM. It has a 360 by 360 Super AMOLED display, 340 milliamp hour battery. So those are the main specs. So let's open this up. I don't have a knife, so I'm going to be using my keys here. Oh, this tape's on there good. There we go. Alright, so let's get this guy open. Seems I didn't cut it enough. There we go. Alright. So this is my first smartwatch. I bought my girlfriend multiple smartwatches, but I never wanted to buy myself one until I was able to get one that I really wanted. Recently I bought my girlfriend the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. She's been loving it, so I got this Galaxy Watch 3, which is on the main line of the Samsung Galaxy smartwatches. So I hope it does not disappoint. So here's the contents here. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is what we're getting here. I did get the silver version. Hope you guys can see that there. I did get the leather band. I usually like leather. I wear a lot of watches actually on a daily basis, so I use mostly metal watches. But I do, when I go to work for more professional environments, I wear my leather watches. And I would hope that this feels pretty good, honestly. So I don't think I'll have any trouble wearing this throughout the day. So before we go ahead and look at that further, let's see what we got in here. So I assume the charger and documentation will be in here. So here's our charger here. Here we are. Oh, interesting. Alright. Wow, they had this really looped around this. So it's just your charger that just snaps to the back of the watch. So if you, and there we are. So let's see what else is in here. I see something way at the oh, we can open the other side here. Go ahead and grab this. So just your, quick start guide, terms and conditions, etc., etc., if you need to read that. So here's the watch. I'm going to go ahead and try to power it on for this video. Should be charged. I'm not sure if it's... I know it's cell phone is usually partially charged, but for this I'm not sure if it's charged or not. So give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back when it's charged and powered up. Alright, and we're back. Took a little time. The watch did ship at 0% battery. So I was able to charge it up to about 10%. So hopefully it can stay alive for everything we need to do for the rest of the video. So we do have the back button here at the top, and the bottom button is going to be your power button. And also, it does have the spinning face, which is a really cool feature that a lot of people love about this watch. And I'm looking forward to using it. So let's try and boot this up. So I'm going to hold this power button. There we go. So we'll get this closer to the camera here so I can see. Alright, first boot up. Here's the Galaxy Watch 3, and it's already showing notifications popping up on my phone. So let's just go ahead and let's go. Alright, yes, battery's low. Galaxy Watch 3, get started with the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Okay, so let's go to our phone. Oops, almost hit emergency call there. So I have my phone here, my Galaxy Note 8. Currently recording on my girlfriend's phone. So here, right here, when I opened up my phone, I can see the Galaxy Watch has already popped up. Now this is compatible with both Android and iOS. So I'm going to connect it. Press connect. Alright, to get started, check that the numbers below match what's showing your watch. Yes. Alright, so we're setting up here. Just downloading the Galaxy Watch 3 plugin. Taking a minute here. Oops. So it seems this process takes quite some time. Not too long, but it's not quick either. Alright, watch is paired. Congrats on your new Galaxy Watch 3. Awesome. Following options, find my watch. So that's very useful, because I also do have Galaxy Buds here. I do use the Galaxy Wear app a lot because I do take my buds out of my ear and just place them down and I forget where I put them. So I'm going to check that. And the rest, I'll take a look at another time. Restore your watch from backups. If you back this up. No, I haven't had a previous watch, so I'm going to skip that for now. Set up a mobile plan. So as I stated earlier, this is the LTE version, LTE and Bluetooth capable, right? I haven't set it up for service yet. I haven't set it up on a mobile plan. I do have T-Mobile, so I could add it at any time. I do have my girlfriend's Galaxy Watch or Galaxy Active 2 set up on a mobile plan. I don't think I'm going to need to set it up on LTE right now, but it is very useful because, you know, for those of you who don't know, with LTE, you can use a watch completely separate from your phone. So if your phone dies or if you leave your phone at home, you can still receive calls, text messages, etc. on your watch. So it's kind of like a standalone phone in a sense. Obviously you can't do as much as you can on your Android phone, but at least you're able to still be in contact with whatever you need to be in contact with on your watch, or whoever. So the battery power is low, yes, I understand. Alright, so we're all set here. So we're just about going to wrap up this video. This is just an unboxing and just a power on. I do plan on doing a review. Of course I'm going to have to use it for a little while before I can actually give you guys my opinion about it. So we do have the spinning face. Turn it the other. Oops, I'm going too fast. Notifications. As I said before, this is the back key. So it's a nice little tutorial here to get you familiar with your watch. Sorry if you guys can't see that. Home key. And then quick panel. Well, as you guys would know on the phone, it's probably the notification bar, right? Touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. Awesome. Cool. So we're all set up. I'm going to play around with this watch for a little while and possibly do a review video. I do plan on doing that. But I do have some more tech coming in, so I'm going to be doing videos on that. This is the first video to get everything started with this channel, so hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, I'm open to criticism. Of course I'm going to get a better setup for recording. But as for today, I was going to use one of my girlfriend's camera, but the battery was low, so I decided just to use her phone, which is the S20. So the camera is pretty good for that. But, you know, this is the Galaxy Watch 3. Hope you guys liked it. And also, just real quick, this is the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So for a side-by-side comparison. And I can do a real comparison video for that if you guys would like. So just, you know, comment anything that you guys want, or any suggestions, any criticisms. I'll be glad to hear anything. So, thank you. Bye.